Ingersoll Rand 1-inch pistol grip impact wrench is powered up without weighing you down. It's engineered to make quick work of big bolting jobs and semi, bus, and heavy equipment tires. It has been made lighter, pushed harder, and worked longer to make sure it can handle repeated demands without sacrificing power every time you need extreme torque. This lightweight tool can get the job done. It delivers up to 2 feet-pounds of reverse torque, has a steel core, and chemical-resistant housing. It weighs in under 20 pounds and has a 360 degrees adjustable handle that rotates fully around the tool as the job demands. Its swivel hose connection keeps hoses from getting tangled so you can move freely around the garage. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Powerful performance. This impact wrench is lightweight at under 20 pounds, but delivers up to 2 pounds-ft of extreme reverse torque that lasts for the life of the tool. Number 2. Reliable durability. The steel core and chemical-resistant housing are made to last even in the harshest working conditions and stand up to drops. Number 3. 360 degrees adjustable handle. The side handle rotates fully around the tool as the job demands, increasing maneuverability and user comfort. Number 4. Swivel hose connection. Keep cords from getting tangled so you can move freely around the garage. Number 5. Big bolting jobs. This IR is engineered for big bolting jobs, semi, bus, and heavy equipment tires. Every component, mechanism, and function has undergone rigorous testing to ensure long-lasting performance, and so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.